acceptance of a risk doesn't make you coward. It will only make the situation a bit safe and help you in achieving your goal. So we are taking stop for breakfast, and it's around 7:45. We'll have a breakfast and then move back again. So good morning friends, I'm going on an adventure trek today. We are going to Bhairavgad. Bhairavgad basically is a dike. The meaning of dike is a vertical flat wall made out of volcano. So there are many dikes in Maharashtra or rather in Sahyadri Range. One more famous dike is Taila Baila, which is in Tamini region, and one is Bhairavgad. So there are total of 3 Bhairavgads in Maharashtra. One is in Chiprun, one is in Bhandardara region, and the last one where we are going today is in Malshej region. This one is toughest of all and at the same time risky as well. You will see it why. So we have come with a private car, but you can always come here by public transport. You can take any bus from Kalyan going to Ahmednagar via Malshej and get down at Moroshi and find for the gate I have shown before. So we have reached to our first viewpoint from where we can clearly see the Bhairavgad, to be precise the dike. I don't know if you could see from here the Bhairavachi, and this is the dike. So it's been half an hour into the trek and we are just climbing. It's quite steep. So after 1.5 hours of steep climb, we are about to reach Bhairavachi. This is one of the steepest climb I have ever done. So finally we have reached the plateau and the Bhairavgad looks amazing from here. Just have a look. Bhairavgad, a fort standing tall at a height of 3000 feet above sea level. The dike site itself is around 700 feet from the Bhairavmachi. The route till the base of the dike is pretty steep and safe, but the risk factor starts from the base of the dike. These rock cut steps, which lead you to the top of the fort, are actually pretty narrow. Also, just after 15 to 20 steps comes a very risky patch. The steps of this section are missing, and there is a complete fall of at least 75 to 100 feet, which can be fatal. We had completely accepted this risk prior to our trek, thus, we prepared accordingly, especially the technical aspect of it. The more you climb, the more scarier it will get. The depth of the valley will surely give you some hard time. So, how are you feeling?
इट्स फॅब्युलस फंटॅब्युलस.
Fantabulous. परत बोलतो.
पाहून असं वाटलं की ते इम्पॉसिबल आहे,
हां.
पण काही आमचे मेंबर्स आहेत त्यांनी मोटिवेट केलं, थोडी हेल्प पण केली.
लोकनाथांचा सपोर्ट,
लोकनाथांचा सपोर्ट, मंजुनाथची आयडिया, त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही वरती आलो. पण खरंच खूप अफलातून आहे, बऱ्यापैकी रिस्की पण आहे
आणि टेक्निकल आहे, त्यामुळे कोणी येऊ नये.
चढण्यासाठी इथे एक म्हणजे ट्रिकची आवश्यकता आहे.
We only regret for the chances we didn't take.